In this stretch tutorial, we're going to be targeting the soleus muscle with a 3D soleus stretch. So there's going to be 3 parts of this stretch, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find a wall or a fixed resistance object that's not going to move, so we can do this stretch without having to worry about balance. So I've got a wall here or a pillar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring both feet in a position where they're facing forwards. The back leg is going to be the leg that I'm going to be stretching my soleus on. So whatever soleus you want to stretch out first, that would be your back leg. Now from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend my back leg's knee, and I'm going to keep bending. I'm still in contact here with the wall, and I'm going to bend as far as I can forwards until I start to come into what's called ankle dorsiflexion. And right now I can feel this in my soleus. So let's repeat that again. I'm facing forwards. My feet are facing forwards as well. They're pointing forwards. I've got my hand on a fixed resistance object. I then bend my knee, keep coming down the wall until my knee is far enough forwards that I feel it in that very lower part of the leg. From here, I'm now going to hold this position. And the first thing I'm going to do is, just by moving my hips when I've got that stretch position, is I'm going to bring them side to side. So my hips come side to side, my upper body isn't really moving, and you can repeat this for however long you want. So you might decide to do repetitions from side to side. You might decide to do seconds, or a set amount of seconds that you do it for. Once you've done as long as you like on this variant, you're then going to come forwards and back. So we're going to come into the stretch and out of it, into the stretch and out of it. So you're going to be flossing that stretch position. And then once you've done that variation again for as long as you would like, you're then going to come back into the stretch, and now you're going to do circles. And you could decide to do circles clockwise, then anti-clockwise, or alternatively just stick to one position. The most important thing is, whatever you decide to do variant-wise with regards repetitions or seconds for those 3 drills, you would do exactly the same on the other side and repeat. That's how you do the 3D soleus stretch.